Hello everyone, hi, it's Frank and welcome back. As you can see from our surroundings, you may have already guessed what we're going to be doing, and that is a Valentine's Day theme. And for some of you, and I hope it's not you, but for some of us, Valentine's Day, you might be away from the one you care about, so it's a little bittersweet. So let's do two drinks, one bitter, one sweet. Why not? The first one is going to be the bitter one. It is the coffee martini. It is really only three components. We see Kahlua, Amaro, and espresso. And since I'm so cheap and I don't have an espresso machine, just go out and buy some Starbucks. It's the easiest way to do it. Besides, it doesn't have to be hot. And Amaro is an Italian liqueur. Well, let's get started on that one. So what we've done is we put in an ounce of espresso, an ounce and a half of the Amaro, an ounce and a half of the Kahlua, put it in the shaker with some ice, and I know this is making a lot of noise, so I'm going to shake vigorously. What you want to do is produce a froth, and the espresso provides that. All right. And you really don't need a lot because it is a drink that has a amount of caffeine. So if you're looking at your date, you want to keep her up later, then this might be the drink we should use. There it is. It is a coffee martini, perfect for after dinner drinks. We're going to get started on the next one, which is a chocolate strawberry martini. So if my director pans over a little bit, I'll show you the ingredients. Dark rum, amaretto, strawberries, and chocolate liqueur are the main four ingredients here. I'm going to put in little splashes of coconut cream, vanilla, and some bitters. Let's get started. Cut up some strawberries, 4 of them in this case. We're going to add them to our mixing cup. I want to get a little bit of liquid in there so I can start muddling. Dark rum, about 1.5 to 2 ounces. 1.5 will do fine. Amaretto, let's do about 1/2 ounce. Okay, now we can muddle this, but I've got all these nice little toys and I just don't feel like muddling. So, okay, so we're done muddling. I'm going to add in some ice and the rest of the ingredients. What I have found of making this drink is to use crushed ice. If you use this in a blender, it loses some of the flavors of the chocolate and the strawberries, and the larger ice just doesn't seem as a good component because it is a thicker drink. So let's add, now that we're talking about it, let's add in that chocolate liqueur. How'd that little guy get on top? So, good ounce of chocolate liqueur. I've got 2-3 splashes of my bitters, 2-3 splashes of my vanilla, healthy squirt of coconut cream. Come on, be healthy. There we go. Well, it's not really healthy, but... So, we're going to just shake this baby up. So there we have our 2 drinks. The coffee martini, bitter, and the chocolate covered strawberry drink. If you put it in a martini glass, because you could call it a martini. And one is for my director. She picked the coffee one. Okay, I guess she thinks that I need to be a little bit sweeter. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Cheers.